up, everybody? I'm here with the free spot from Frank. I've never dealt with Frank. Frank is an outstanding individual in the hobby and in life, so feel free to hit him up anytime. Very generous of him. 6:54 p.m. Central Time. Our list is right here. And there's our list. Same list that's over here. Roll the dice. No snake eyes. And I appreciate you guys all helping Phil. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Money shot. John D. Congrats, brother. You have a spot in the division break, which I'm going to run the random for now. John D. Congrats, brother. And we'll take it down. 685.